In this video, we're looking at the surface area of a pyramid. So a pyramid is a solid shape with a polygon for the base and a triangular faces that meet at the apex. So you can see in the bottom left there a picture of a pyramid. It has a square or a rectangular base. That doesn't have to be the shape on the base. It can be anything. The only difference is if you have a circular base, we refer to that as a cone, not a pyramid, if that makes sense. So again, it doesn't have to be a square or a rectangle on the base. We can have different things. So again, in the same way we do surface area for regular prisms, you still find the area for each individual face and then add them up together. So here's our example. We have this pyramid here. It's a square, as you can see by our two circles here and here. So these circles all mean that each of those sides are the exact same length. All right. So again, I'm going to write down my area for my triangles. Because this is a square, all the triangle faces are going to be the exact same length. So what I'm going to do there is, remember the formula is half the base times the height. So in this case, it's going to be a half times 5 times 25. And that comes out at 62.5 meters squared. I then want to find the area for the base. And in this case, it's my square. So it's going to be length times width. And because they're the same, 5 times 5 is 25 centimeters, not meters. Centimeters squared. Now that I've got them, remember our total. So area total will be area. Let me rewrite this a bit neater. Area total is going to be my area for the triangles multiplied by 4, because we have 4 exact triangles in this case. I'll do it in different color, times 4, plus the area of the base. So here we're going to have 62.5 times 4 plus our 25, and that comes out at 275 meters squared. So it's important to note that this section here, that's my triangles, and this section over here is the base. So depending on the shape, we'll have different outcomes. So if I had like this, all meeting at a point where this is 5 and this is 8, my triangular faces will be different. So this front face here, all right, if I draw that over here, let me draw one neat like that. That'll have a base of 5, and let's just say the height was 20. That would be 20. Now if I did this blue one over here with the 8, that will be 8 and 20. So as you can see, depending on what the base is, depends on whether you'll be timesing by 4. So for example, if I was doing this one, I would find the area for this triangle and then multiply it by 2, and then find the area of this triangle and multiply it by 2. All right. Once you found all those areas, you add them together.